All right, we are set at Deer Lake South Campground, site number 8. Zeke's getting the kayaks ready. So we're gonna roll down to the lake. I'll show you the setup here. Really nice campground. It's the route in. Huge, mature Norway and white pine, mainly Norway, but there are some good stands of white pine here too. A lot of dogwood underneath, red maple, choke cherry flowering right now, end of May. Campsite host is near site number 12. And then most of the campsites, this is site number 12 here. Most of the campsites have some kind of a path to get down to the lake. We had a few mosquitoes while we were setting up the hammocks, but it's really comfortable here right now in northern Minnesota. This is up, we're on, this lake is Cutfoot Sioux. Really cool lake with a lot of definition to it. Got some islands out there and some really cool skinny points. Probably one of the cooler swimming areas I've seen. Big old white pine right here with a really nice swimming sand. That's what the sand looks like. Looks like there's just a few smaller fist-sized rocks, and then out you go to pure sand on the beach. I don't know if it gets deep quick or not. It doesn't look like it's super shallow going out. But yeah, just a really nice spot. And then this was there's an exit trail to go wander through the woods right there. But this one goes right back up to the campsite near ours, which is 8S. There's also a north half to this campground. We are here on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right after Memorial. And we've heard one boat on the lake. And there's one other car and campsite full right now. But for the most part, the other reservation signs didn't have anything until June. Lots of firewood remaining from Memorial Day weekend, I suppose. Lots. Might get lucky. If not, you are allowed to collect deadfall for fires in state forests, national forests, but not state parks. Here in Minnesota, anyway. That's probably a national forest rule as well. You can see there's wander trails all over here. But also, a lot of poison ivy, so be on your guard and take care of your kiddos, because it's going to be pretty much everywhere in these mature northern hardwoods. Ready to go yakking?
Yep.
All right, there is our shove off. We are now heading past that island, around the corner to a restaurant over by the Narrows at the end of Cutfoot Sioux Lake. Sunset on Cutfoot Sioux. All right, second stop. We are here at Tioga Mine Pit. Very quiet today. It's a Wednesday. Looks like a whole bunch of hiking and mountain bike trails in the Tioga rec area. Mini flota, love it. Nice. You should see this lake though. Zeker says he can see a trout right now. And if you're thinking, boy, that looks blue almost, it is definitely blue. We're kicking ourselves because we forgot snorkels and goggles. That drops off quick. Be a pretty easy boat launch here for sure. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is straight down. This is seriously like Crater Lake level clarity.
Holy moly.
Zeker saw a big old trout over there.
It's like a 6-pound largemouth bass.
Oh, largemouth, you saying?
That thing is huge.
So when you come here, have polarized sunglasses because I can still see. I hope you guys are seeing this on camera. I don't know if you are or not, but the polarized sunglasses, it's literally like watching TV right here. So it's just nuts. In the Northwoods. We've come halfway around the lake here at Tioga, and it is just awesome blue. Makes you want to get the scuba license. Coming around the north facing slope now. Turquoise. Let's look at that shelf. And in the deep water, it's just pure turquoise. LaRue Mine Pit, Nashwauk, Minnesota.
Looking for me to go now?
From your reaction, that's warmer than Tioga.
A little, still cold.
All right, Zeke, we got camp mac and cheese here. Why don't you tell us what we didn't want to use milk because we didn't want to refrigerate stuff. So what did we do?
Just put a slab of butter in there, put some queso, of course the salsa version to give it some zazz, and we obviously put the mac and cheese powder in there.
So the salsa con queso is taking the place of the milk, and it's also going to give a little bit of flavor. And then we're going to get the brats going, and we got some beans. Good camp hack for you right there. There you can see it. I was trying to give you a view. Salsa con queso. Substitute for milk in the mac and cheese recipe.